Shippingport ARDM-4. Shippingport ARDM-4 is an ARDM-4 class United States Navy medium auxiliary repair dry dock. She is one of the Navy's two medium auxiliary repair dry docks and was the first floating dry dock built for the U.S. Navy since World War II. Laid down in 1977, delivered and placed in service on 4 January 1979, she is still in service at the Naval Submarine Support Facility at Naval Submarine Base New London in Groton, Connecticut. With a displacement of 5,400 tons, this floating dry dock had a lifting capacity of 7,800 tons. Shippingport has two 25-ton portal gantry cranes on tracks, one running along the top deck of each hull-side superstructure. She is a government-owned, private contractor-operated, restored and certified dry dock used to execute submarine repairs. In October 2010, while Shippingport ARDM-4 was nearing the end of her overhaul at BAE Systems Ship Repair at Norfolk, Virginia, the U.S. Department of Defense duty announced that General Dynamics Electric Boat was awarded an additional $6.05 million to its contract for ship forces duties during Shippingport's naval service. In September 2012, after being out of service for almost 4 years, Shippingport completed her SCO and year-long recertification. The SCO included structural modifications to enable a lifting capacity to support a Virginia-class SSN nuclear attack submarine. In November 2013, General Dynamics Electric Boat announced it was awarded an additional $7.01 million contract by Naval Sea Systems Command NAVSEA for further repairs and preservation of floating dry dock Shippingport ARD, with the work to be completed by September 2014.